time as a way of showing us what really matters in life. This is an anonymous quote. The quote means, at different levels and stages in life, we all think certain situations may not change. People who are doing good, things that their good life may never have. And then people who are doing bad, on the other hand, also think that situation may never change. But this quote, that time, as a way of revealing to us what really matters in life, is a quote of experience. There are things that you valued when you were young. I want to bring in the story of a president, a leader who one time went to the office and he was caught abruptly in the office, playing with his shoes, rolling it on the table of the office and saying, "Voo, voo," playing with the shoes like a young child. It was a frustration to the secretary and to the rest of other people who worked alongside him. When scientists were brought in, they carried on their research and they came up with the conclusion that this leader never had the chance to play with toy cars when he was young. So that sense arose to when he was old. So now you played with toy cars, you played with a lot of toys when you were young. Currently, you look at toys as useless things. It no longer matters to you. Again, there were games that you used to play. For example, hide and seek, where you put something here and you hide. If the person taps the right hand side and is the correct one, then the person will not roll the one. The play will take after the person. But once you are netted, you lose. But when you win, you push to the next one and you get. That is the hide and seek. Now you don't want to play hide and seek because it is no longer matters. There were moments when you used to really love certain things, like a certain kind of music. Maybe when you were a child, you used to love hip-hop music. Now you're old, you only want to listen to country music. Maybe when you were young, at your youthful age, what matters in your life was going for club to dance in disco. But right now, what you prefer is to dance at home, only two of you with your partner, with your home music system, with your home theater. That is the quote of experience. That is the meaning of this quote. Time as a way of telling us what really matters in life. My name is Mark Brian, as usual. And this is the hard way on Go Forward. Please subscribe, follow on Pinterest and Facebook, visit 𝕊𝕐𝕐.site, which is our official website, and comment, like, share. Bye bye. See you. Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.𝕊𝕐𝕐𝕐.site.